Just give me the mic. Don't play the music. No, I'm not. Yo, Ninja.
Okay. You turn it down a little bit. 2, 1, 2. Check. Hey, how's everybody doing out here? So I'm going to give a quick explanation about this car right here because this is a part of pop culture right here. This is my original 5.0 from Ice Ice Baby video. And it became more famous when we did the movie with Adam Sandler, That's My Boy. Because ever since that movie, I've had everybody come up to me and say, Ice, you still got the 5.0. And I was like, yeah, but it's kind of a pile of crap right now, you know? So I had a 4-year restoration on this car, and 150 grand later, and here it is, the ultimate Fox Body 5.0, and it came out so nice, I'm not even gonna be able to drive it. So I gotta buy another one I can actually burn rubber in. But I just, you know, I got this car for the first time yesterday, and it was. I have a lot of cars. I collect cars, and I've never had, like, I watch all the Chip Foose shows and everything, and I see the people getting emotional about the cars, and I've never had an emotional connection with any car. Like, all my other cars are just nice cars. I look at them and I say, this is great, it's nice, let's clean them up. And when this thing came yesterday, it was my first time to see it. I never saw it before that. And they kept it as a surprise, and I got emotional on this car because everything back in, this was 1990 when I released my first record, To the Extreme. Thank you. So this car is a part of that time in history and space that everything flashed back on me, and I remember drag racing down the streets in this car. I remember having so much subwoofer that we had to tighten the license plate with a screwdriver because it was vibrating. You know, just the 90s was the greatest decade ever. And if you don't remember, we didn't have a lot of pictures because I had one friend that had like a Nikon camera. You know, we didn't have smartphones in the 90s. We might have had a brick phone or a flip phone, right? We got our movies at Blockbuster, right? I mean, the 90s was the greatest decade. We grew up to the Ninja Turtles in the 90s. See, we got some turtle fans out here. Oh my God, that is the greatest. So this car it all flashed back on me when I just became a teenager again, man. It was the most amazing feeling, and a car can actually do that to you. So this car did it for me. This is actually my second day to even see it. So I've lost sleep, and I stare at this car and just think about all the memories of this time and this era, and what this car actually means to me personally. So without any further ado, I got my man Wes Kane here. And by the way, thank you guys for watching the Vanilla Ice Project. Thank you for that. We represent right here in Palm Beach, so if you haven't seen it, creep on it, don't sleep on it. So we're gonna unveil this thing and let you guys take some photos of it and have some great memories and enjoy it like I did. So Gary, are you ready? Ready. Fire it up, man. Come on, let's take them back. Everybody here officially is a teenager right now.
Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, make some noise. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. We're going to rally it up here in a minute.
That's it right there. The original Mustang 5.0 Fox Body Mustang right here. Now we're going to drop the top. Gonna pop everything, and then everybody just get a selfie out, turn around, because I'm gonna photobomb everybody here.
Excuse me. I thought I said it loud enough through the speaker, but I don't know if you heard. I thought I said it loud enough through the speaker, but I don't know if you heard. speaker, but I don't know if you heard.
And thank you guys for joining us for the 90s, man. This just makes, like, I swear I'm a teenager right now. I'm just goosebumps and I'm just loving life. This car brings back all those cool pop culture memories, you know, and that's what it's all about, you know. It's a photographic album without looking at the photograph, you know. It brings back all the great memories and just, you know, what a great time we had in the 90s, and this is it, you know. This, Beavis and Butthead, Ninja Turtles, and cassette decks. That's what it was all about, man. And we did not dance like this. Did not dance like that. And this right here, this just hopping on one leg. We didn't do that. And we didn't play Fortnite. We did not play Fortnite. We didn't even have that. But we did dance. We invented house parties and block parties in the 90s. And instead of like trying to get our kids out of the home like we do today, they don't even want to leave. They're stuck playing Fortnite. We got in trouble for not coming home on time, right? That's the 90s. Anyway, thank you guys for enjoying Cars and Coffee today and enjoying this special moment for us. We appreciate all you guys. Go Ninja, go Ninja, go! Go Ninja, go Ninja, go! I had to do it.